Hey, fellow indie hackers. What I'm about to share with you is going to allow you to never let your eyes bleed again from the terrible colors and the high contrast of Google Sheets. So, if you work in Google Sheets all day, you probably find like your eyes get really sore, and it's from this very high contrast, this basic black and this basic white background. What you can do, how you can fix this for yourself, is when you're working in sheets that you read or anyone else reads, and everyone who works with you is going to thank you for this. Basically, just go up to the font color, and down here in custom, you can type in any hex code. I'm going to give you something really, really simple to remember, but you can use 222 and make that much, much more subtle, right? So you can go from a basic black to 222. It's going to be a super subtle difference, and almost no one's going to notice. But like over time, for hours, your eyes are going to thank you. But you can go much more intense, much more less intense, and you can still read it. 444 lets you read it, and then you can also change the background. This dark white, again, just very bright. Sometimes I had to, for years, turn my screen intensity down because I was just in Google Sheets all the time. But now I found this great paper color. It's like literally the name of this color is something like paper. And it's this really funky hex code that all you have to remember in order to change your colors to this and make it really nice to read, you need to remember four things. Okay? 4444, and then Facebook, Facebook, Fate. That's all you have to remember. If you remember 444444 and Facebook, Facebook, Fate, those four things, then you can change this all the time. So all you have to do is go up to the color of the text, click custom, type in 44444, click OK, and then the highlight color, this fill bucket custom, is just Facebook, FB, FB, F8. Facebook, Facebook, Fate. What's the fate of Facebook? Who knows? Facebook, Facebook, Fate, and 444. That's all you have to remember. And your eyes are going to thank you after like 12 hours of looking at Google Sheets. This is going to make a world of difference. Find more tips and tricks at bettersheets.co. I have 4 tutorials there right now. And behind the paywall, there's like a ton of awesome tricks just to make your experience with Google Sheets way better. Thanks. Bye.